Okay, here we have video number 11 in the demo review series. We're doing long division. We're dividing this polynomial by x plus 2. When you're doing long division, you don't have to change any of the numbers. So do not change the sign on this right here. So let's put x plus 2 out here. This is the divisor, okay? And the stuff we're dividing goes underneath the house. This is the dividend. That's not really important right now, but just so you know what it's called. Okay? Now, remember that you are trying to find first into first for each one of these terms to write terms up on top, which is in the quotient, which is the answer to a division problem. So you're going to take x first into first. So how many times is x go into negative 3x cubed? Write yourself a little division problem like that. And basically when we're dividing just an x with no constant in front, well, how many times does x go into this? This is x to the first. 3 minus 1 makes squared. So it's negative 3x squared. Make sense? So then we have this term. You're just going to multiply just this term times the entire divisor, and it's going to line up right here. And you have to line up with like terms. Negative 3x squared times x is negative 3x cubed, which is what we want. Negative 3x squared times 2. Excuse me. Negative 3x squared times 2 is going to be minus 6x squared. Okay? Oh, that's a terrible 3. Now, we have to subtract this stuff, and this is something a lot of students missed, and you have to be patient. When you draw this line to subtract, you have to change the sign of the stuff. That way you can add. All right, this 3x squared and this one are going to cancel. Negative 2 plus 6 is positive 4x squared. Bring down this positive 4x, and then rinse and repeat and do the whole process again. X goes into 4x squared. It goes, well, plus 4x times. That's just a coincidence that they're all the same thing. And then multiply just this single term we wrote up in the quotient times the entire divisor. It's going to be 4x squared and then plus 8x. But when we draw this line to subtract, change the signs of the bottom and then add. Plus 4 minus 8 is negative 4x. Then bring down the negative 3. Rinse and repeat. How many times does x go into negative 4x? Well, it goes in negative 4 times. Again, multiply just this term times the whole divisor. We get negative 4x, and then that's going to be minus 8. Draw the line, change the signs. This is going to be plus 5 for our remainder. So the answer is going to be negative 3x squared plus 4x minus 4, remainder 5.